Hello, this is Vivian. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making my kids' favorite snack, or you can eat for breakfast, dinner, whatever. So delicious. It's called hot dog buns. Let's start making the dough. First, we start with 300 grams of flour, 30 grams of sugar, 3 grams yeast, 1 egg, 170 grams milk, just a pinch of salt. Now we start mixing the dough first. Now we have 25 grams of butter. And we keep kneading the dough until you see the dough is very stretchy like that. Now we just put on a damp cloth, put on a side, rise until double in size. Now the dough double in size, we take it out. Now we divide the dough in 60 grams each. Yeah, about 60 grams each. Now we roll the dough out with a rolling pin, just the right size to fit my hot dogs. I use Nathan's beef franks. They are not that big, so it's perfect for this recipe. Then I cover with plastic wrap, set on the side, rise for another 30 minutes. Next, I brush some vegetable oil on the top. It's time to put hot dogs on. Now it's a good time to get your kids to help put the hot dogs on, or they can help put some cheese on as well. I can't find my kids right now. They are chasing each other, I can hear. So now I bake them 350 for 20 minutes. Now you can see they're rising up, getting a little fatter. Smells so good right now. And I like my favorite Japanese mayonnaise on top, but some of my kids like ketchup. Now it's time to eat some hot dog buns or watch a movie, spend time with family. If you enjoy my recipe, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel.